You all know about those projects that make people wonder. Some of these projects look amazing even when they're just drafts on paper, and only after construction do they take your breath away. But do you think that all those projects will eventually be successfully built to the end according to plan? Of course, it's not like that. In addition to the fact that they require a lot of money and workers, other unforeseen things happen that slow down or completely stop the project. Believe it or not, this is also happening to projects being built in Dubai. Can you imagine that in a city where one project is better than the last and each of them sets a new world record, the construction is stopped, or even worse, the project is declared a failure? Still don't believe it? Well, you will in a few minutes. Welcome back to the Genesis channel. In today's video, we're talking about some mega projects that are ingeniously designed, their construction has even started, but they're still marked as failed. You're about to find out why that is. You just need to press like, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us until the end of the video. So if you've done this and you're ready for these projects, let's get started. Here is our list of 3 mega projects. Project number 3, Jeddah Tower. Way back in 2008, billionaire investor Prince Al-Walid bin Talal of Saudi Arabia announced his intention to build the world's tallest building in Dubai, the first skyscraper to reach 1,000 meters or more. Construction of the Jeddah Tower began on April 1, 2013, and it took more than a year just to lay the massive foundation for the structure, which included concrete piling measuring 3 meters in diameter and longer than a football field. Above-ground construction started in September 2014. Adrian Smith, the architect of the Burj Khalifa, also designed the Jeddah Tower, and the two structures share some design elements. The biggest similarity between those two towers is they both have a Y-shaped plan with 3 exterior walls instead of 4. The most buzzed-about feature of the Jeddah Tower is its open-air observation deck, the highest in the world at 664 meters. Although 1/3 of the tower was built, the work was stopped. This is not a project running behind schedule. This is a project that stopped 4 years ago. There's no question it's atypical. It's not a construction delay, it's completely stopped. We keep hearing that it's going to start up again, but it hasn't of yet. Project number 2, the Istanbul Canal. This is a project for an artificial sea-level waterway which is planned by Turkey on East Thrace, connecting the Black Sea to the Sea of Marmara, and thus to the Aegean and Mediterranean seas. The canal aims to minimize shipping traffic in the Bosporus. It's projected to have a capacity of 160 vessel transits a day, similar to the current volume of traffic through the Bosporus, where traffic congestion leaves ships queuing for days to transit the strait. The Istanbul Canal project also includes the construction of ports, logistics centers, and artificial islands to be integrated with the canal, as well as the construction of new earthquake-resistant residential areas along the channel. Although the construction has almost started, the project is already marked as failed because the officials believe that the construction deadline will not be met due to the large amount of work and that the budget will be exceeded. Also, there is a harmful impact on the environment. The ecosystem of the Black Sea and Marmara Sea could be affected. The project has been criticized for destroying agricultural and forest land and a walking trail, and potentially contaminating groundwater with salt and increasing flooding. Other environmental criticism includes potential changes to the salinity of the Marmara Sea, leading to Istanbul's smell of hydrogen sulfide. Project number 1, the Line. Mohammed bin Salman, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, recently unveiled plans for The Line, a linear city that is part of the futuristic NEOM project. It is a proposed one-building city that will stretch for 170 kilometers and consists of tall mirrored skyscrapers. Its residents will use a high-speed train that travels between the two ends of the city in 20 minutes, and within 5 minutes they will have access to all city facilities and services. The line will be located near the Red Sea, spanning 34 square kilometers, and with a capacity to host 9 million people. But what about the announcement that this project will also fail? There are some challenges. The first one is economic challenges. Financial challenges are the biggest obstacle for mega projects like NEOM and The Line, and Saudi Arabia has not been able to achieve much success in attracting financial resources and investment from foreign governments and companies. According to the original plan, the project should be completed by 2030. However, according to new estimates, that period is extended to 2050, thus the budget will increase. Another challenge is technological. Practically, the biggest technical problem that Saudi Arabia will face in NEOM is the reliance on foreign skilled workers, an issue that is unlikely to be resolved in the short term. In addition to these, there are also social challenges and many others that will seem to be outweighed if the project is still declared a failure. The hope is that these projects will still finish and avoid the category of failed projects. What do you think? Will it succeed in that? Please write your answers in the comments section below. In the final seconds, make sure to subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss the next video. Drop us a like and share the video. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.